So hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn that how to find out the array lengths in different programming language. So first of all we will start with the JavaScript. Okay, so here in the JavaScript, first of all we need to create an array of some size. Okay, this is the array. Now if you want to loop this array, we will use a for loop, and you can see that we are getting the length by using the array length. Okay, then I plus plus, and here instead we will mention array like this, and we will get the output like this. Okay, so for finding the array length, we can do array dot length. Okay, so in this way we can do it. Okay, in the JavaScript. So here it is how we can find the size of the array. Okay, so this is all about JavaScript. Now inside the Java, what we will do, we need to first import Java utility package. Okay, now here we need to name the class. Okay, public class and say parent. Okay, open it, and here public void public static void and then main. Okay, and inside this we need to mention the string and arguments. Okay, done. So now here length of array. Okay, so for example create an array using this syntax 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, done. Now size of array. Okay, so here system dot out. Okay, let me write int size is equal to array dot length. Okay, and for getting the output we will mention system out dot print ln. Okay, then you can simply mention the size, or you can say in this way also, like length of the array. So here in this way we can get the array length. Okay, using the Java. Now we are in the Python. Okay, so in Python also we will create an array 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, done. No, no. Now for getting the length, okay, we can mention len array. Okay, then for printing it, print length, and here you can get it length of the array, or in this way also you can get it. So you can see that we are getting length of the array in Python. So here it is in this way. Now in C++, okay, include IO stream, done, using namespace standard, done. Now here int main start. Now we need to get the length of the array. Okay, so here we will need to mention the array. Okay, and then create an array for that, done. Then you can mention the length. Okay, so inside this we will use end, then array begin, then array, then count. Okay, so here we will mention length of the array. Okay, and here you can mention length. Okay, so you can see that we are getting the output as this one. Also there is one more way, len one. Okay, size of array and size of array 0. Okay, again count length of the array len 1. 1 minute. End here. Okay, in this way we can get it. Okay, again here also end here. So using this one, or let me again 1 minute. Count length by using size of, and here length by using end and begin, and here also need to mention end here. I can see that we are getting the length by using the two ways. Okay, length of the array by using end and begin, and length of the array by using the size of in the C++. So guys, in this way we can do it. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. So now guys, we will do it using the C language. Okay, now int main function. Okay, so inside this we will create an array. Done. Now guys, there are two methods. Okay, so first one we will see like this: size of array, then size of array 0. Okay, so this is the way by using which we can find the size of the array. Now let's print this. So for printing we are using printf function. Okay, the size of the array. Okay, so now here percentage d for the integer, and now here mention the size. So you can see that we are getting the size of the array 5. Also you can loop it like this as size. Okay, then again here printf percentage d array I. So guys, in this way we can print these numbers in this way also on the C language. Okay, so guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.